All right, question number 2 says the value of x is negative 1/4. Order these expressions from least to greatest, with 1 being least, number 4 being greatest. All right, so x equals negative 1/4. So this first one, x equals negative 1/4. The second one is 1 minus negative 1/4. So if I go 1 minus negative 1/4, that's the same as 1 plus 1/4. So this is 1 and 1/4. The next one, x minus 1, so if I go negative 1/4 minus 1, if I type that in my calculator, I get negative 1 and 1/4. And then negative 1 divided by negative 1/4. If I type that in my calculator, I get 4. So, least to greatest. My smallest number is going to be negative. It's going to be this one right here. So, x minus 1. That one's the smallest. Then the next smallest is negative 1/4, so x. And then the next one, 1 and 1/4, which is 1 minus x. And then the last one, the biggest one, is 4, negative 1 over x. Okay?